Hey guys, happy March 23rd, 2024. I hope the weather is better where you are. So the purpose of today's video is the hazards of a coal forge. If you have a hand crank blower, you probably will not run into this issue, so to speak. But if you've got an electric blower and you leave it on a little bit too long, I've got a piece of 1/4-inch square here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I've been making a bunch of hooks, and the fire is starting to die down. And we're going to turn the air on, and then we're going to stick this 1/4-inch piece in here and see how long it takes before it detonates. So I added just a little bit of coal bituminous to this, and here's what happened to me Thursday night. Yeah, I believe it was Thursday night. I was working on the hooks that I need to make for a client, and a buddy of mine stopped over, and I was distracted. I had the air on, and again, if you have a hand crank blower, you're probably okay, but I have this reverse vacuum going. This is the forge that I made in a prior video. So I had a piece of, it was actually 1/2 inch square in the fire. I had the blower on, and we're going to time this. So I'm going to turn the air on and start the timer at the same time, and I'll show you what happened to me. So we're at about 40 seconds, and I burned my metal. It melted super fast. You know, in the gas forge, it's much slower for the heating process. And I gotta be honest, I've got a Whisper Mama, and I keep the pressure up to about 15 psi, and I've never burned a piece of metal. However, in much less than a minute on the coal forge with the blower going, yeah, you can melt your steel very quickly. So just a stupid video. Be careful, especially if you're working on something important and you're halfway through it. You really don't want to fry your metal in the middle or the ends when you're trying to finish a really important project. So super fast video, guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.